Hi guys, welcome to Jazz Journey. My name is Jasmine. Welcome and thank you for selecting this video. Today we're gonna go over September boxes. As you know, there's 3 boxes expected for Boxycharm. We have the base, premium, and Boxy Lux. And so far I have 11 box reveals. So I'm gonna go over them. So I'm gonna start with Boxy Lux. Just keep in mind that some of them I do have the variation number or the weight and the value, but that's just some information given. So don't go concrete on that because it may vary with that information, but it's what I was able to get. So as you know, for Boxy Lux, this is an upgrade. And this box is $49.99, so you could expect 8 to 9 full-size items. And so far, I'm seeing 8 items will be in the box, and so far I have 5 full box reviews. So the first one is including this palette, and so you know there's going to be a variation. So this one is the Eloise Beauty. From Eloise Beauty, the Queen Eyeshadow Palette retails for $46. On this box also, if you selected this as your choice item, then this could be your variation. This is variation number 70, and the value is $389. So this is the From Pharmacy Sheer Up. Next we have, if you also selected this product, this is from Milk Makeup, and this is the Matcha Detoxifying Face Mask. And as you know, there was 7 different variations. So here you see both choice items together. And then we have the the Complexion Authority, the 12-piece brush set that comes with the cup. We also have the 3 Skin, which I found that interesting because this was going to be a variation, but this box, both products are included. We also have the Persona Cosmetics. This is season 1 lip gloss, and as you know, there's going to be different shades, but I think for this variation, is going to be the honey gloss. But remember, keep in mind that the variation might have a different shade. This is just what I have so far. Fenty Beauty, it could be the foil freestyle, or it could just be the freestyle, but as you know, everybody's going to be getting a Fenty Beauty highlighter. So that's so exciting. And last, we have Ahaba Mineral Hand Cream Sea Kiss. What I'm loving that so far from Boxy Lux, we're seeing more makeup and skincare, and just maybe one product that is more lifestyle. So as you see, this one's variation number 70. So let's go ahead and look for another variation. This one weighs 4 pounds. I don't have the variation number. This one weighs 4 pounds. So if you see that your box may weigh that, then this could be your box, and the value is $403. So we start with that same eyeshadow palette from Eloise Beauty. We also have the Pharmacy Vitamin C Eye Cream. We have the Fenty Beauty, the Foil Freestyle Highlighter, and we have the Pure Complexion Authority, the 12-piece brush set. This one also has a 3 Skin mask. And this one has a Persona Cosmetics. It does say the shade is Honey Gloss, but it wasn't open, so I don't know if that's going to be the shade for this variation. This one is including the Gravity Blanket, that brand, which is a weighted sleep mask. This was a choice item, so here you see Pharmacy and that sleep mask. And last, we have the Ahaba Mineral Hand Cream Sea Kiss. So this is looking like a pretty good box, especially if you selected those 2 items as your choice. Now let's go ahead and look at a different variation. This one is interesting because this one has a Hip Dot Cyan eyeshadow palette, and this variation is number 21. This one is including, of course, a Fenty Beauty. You know that's going to be in every box. We have the from Pure Cosmetics, the Complexion Authority, the 12-piece brush set, as well as the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask that is a 5-pack. This one also has the Persona lipstick, but this one has the Kate Somerville. So if you selected Kate Somerville, the Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment as your choice, and this may be your box. And this one has a different type of product. This one is for the hair. This is Keratin Infused Deep Conditioning Mask. Before I was kind of skeptical of getting hair products, but now those are my go-to. So this is exciting to see that it's coming for Lux. And last, if you selected the Tan Lux, the Gradual Illuminating Tanning Lotion, as well as the Kate Somerville, then this might be your box. So this one is looking pretty good, and as you see, I believe the value is $404. Next, we have Another variation, I don't know the number, but this one continues with the Hip Dot palette, the Scion eyeshadow palette, the Fenty Beauty highlighter, the 3 Skin facial treatment mask, the Persona Cosmetics. In this case, instead of you receiving the lip gloss from Persona Cosmetics, this one is including the Power Brush that retails for $24. This one has the Pharmacy Cheer Up Vitamin C Eye Cream. And this one is something different on this variation. It's from Cusio Calm and Clean, a lavender body and hand cream. Looks pretty good. The price I saw on the website was $39.95. So I don't know if these prices are going to be consistent once we get the theme. And then on the back it shows the color, not the colors, but the prices. So just keep in mind that I'm just getting the prices that I've seen on the online. So hopefully that's the same price we do see once we get the card with the theme. So this one is interesting because it's body and hand cream, and it does have lavender, and it's clean and calm. So loving that. And then from this, and this one is also that other choice item from Lux, the Gradual Illuminating Tanning Lotion. And in this one we see the Kerotherapy Keratin Infused Deep Conditioning Mask. So next we're going to go with variation that weighs 3.5 pounds. And this one, the value is $488.94. And as you see, this one is including the Eloise Beauty and that Milk Makeup Melatonin Overnight Serum. That was a choice item. We have the Fenty Beauty highlighter. This one has the 3 Skin, the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. And this one is finally we get to see another choice item. As you know, it was between Kate Somerville, Pharmacy, or Biro. So this one, if you selected the tomato serum, then this might be your variation. And then we have the Persona Cosmetics, the lip gloss, Cusio Calm and Clean lavender body and hand cream. And this one has another lifestyle product, which is Teamy Tumbler on the Go. That's the price I seen, but I don't know if that's going to be the actual price for this product shown. So the value may change if you do get this box. And last we got the Milk Makeup, the Melatonin Overnight Serum. So this looks like a pretty good box. I think this is a box that if you have selected on your beauty quiz that you have a balance of some makeup, some skincare, or more skincare, then this might be it, because I'm seeing a Teamy, the tumbler, and then the hand cream. So it's a nice balance here. So now that completes all the Boxyluxe full box reveal that I have, let's go ahead and start looking at what we could expect for the premium box. And this one is if you selected the Ulla Henriksen, the Fat Glow Facial, then this could be your box. And then this one is including the palette from Eloise Beauty, the Queen Eyeshadow. And as you know, if you are signed up also or upgraded to Boxyluxe and you have premium on your same account, remember that in one box you're going to be getting the Eloise Beauty palette, while in the other account you're going to be getting the Hip Dot. So I'm loving that way it avoids any duplicates. This one is Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil. I'm excited for this because it does look like a great product, and I'm going to show you. This is a luxury elasticity boost, and I love that because the theme is glam vibes, and luxury for me is glam too. And this facial oil is complex, includes 9 essential oils to deeply moisturize and promote elasticity and balanced skin, and it also provides antioxidants. So I love that. And this is all for all skin type, which that is great. And these are the ingredients from nature. This is gentle, vegetarian, and vegan-friendly botanical moisturizing product. So this is super clean. It contains vanilla, lemon, lavender, palmarosa, rose, orange, mint, geranium, chamomile, and more. I love that. I'm really excited for this product. Then we have Marc Jacobs Beauty. As you know, this is the first time we're getting Marc Jacobs introduced to Boxycharm, so I'm excited. This is the Highliner Liquid Gel Eyeliner, and this is super strong. It's waterproof, and it does stay on for a long time. And this is interesting. We have from Kitsch Eyes Roller. This is for overwork or even sensitive skin. The ice roller is a home facial, and this is made with high quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation. It's going to increase blood circulation, and it's going to alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headache, which that seems pretty good. So I'm excited to see if there's going to be a variation or if everybody's going to be getting it. But so far for this box, it is included. And last, we have another Marc Jacobs product, which is the Enamel High Shine Lip Lacquer Lip Gloss. So loving those products and this is how the box looks like. Remember that on Thursday, September 17 is going to be the choice date if you are subscribed to the premium box. This variation, I don't know the number, but the value so far is $225. So let's go ahead and look at the sneak peeks or the full box reveal for the base box. So far we have 4 full box reveal for the month of September. So let's go ahead and see the first item. We have the Hank and Henry. We have Kay Somerville. So if you select the Kay Somerville, as you know, that was a choice item. That was between Kay Somerville or Pharmacy. So if you select the Kay Somerville, then this could be your box. We have the Hank and Henry lipstick. As you know, this came only for a few people last month, I believe it was. So what they're going to do is continue adding this to the base box. So to make sure that most charmers receive this lipstick. Then we have the Hip Dot Cyan eyeshadow palette. As you know, it's going to be a variation of different palettes for the base box. So this one is included on this variation. We have the Laura Geller Lash Boss mascara, and we have the $1 Billion Brows brand, the Beauty Sponge, which I love this brand. So then we have another variation. This is variation number 93, and this one is the value is $188. This one is including a collab. This is from Blink, and I love Blink palette. We have received that years ago. It was a smaller palette, but it was so creamy and so pretty. So here we see a collab with Boxycharm, and this one is called Evening Glamour Eyeshadow Palette. This one retails, I believe, that's what I saw for $45. So I don't know if this value is going to change, but that's what I've seen. We have the Kay Somerville. Once again, if you selected this product as your choice. And we have, like I mentioned, the Hank and Henry. We have the Huda Beauty. Yes, guys, I am so excited that Huda Beauty is also coming to Boxycharm. This is a life liner, dual pencil and liquid eyeliner. I think this is so interesting that you have a liquid liner and a pencil liner together. And then we have the $1 Billion Brows, the Beauty Sponge. So let's go ahead and move on to the other full box reveal. This one has a Hip Dot Cyan eyeshadow palette. We see here the Huda Beauty product. We see Pharmacy. So if you selected Pharmacy, then this could be your box. This one has a Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadow. So I am loving, we get to try that. And I love that the matte, even though for some people those dry out quickly, if you work on it quick, I also heard that it could change from creamy, from example like liquid form to a powder form. So that will be interesting to test out if we get this in our box. We also have the Huda Beauty. This is the dual pencil and liquid eyeliner, and here we have a pack of brushes, which is from Luna Magic Beauty, another new brand coming to Boxycharm. It's called Blended Girl 4-piece brush set, and it comes with that little pouch. So this is variation number 105, and the value is $143. Next we have variation number 43. This one weighs 1.2 pounds and the value is $125. Here we see Hip Dot. We see once again Libido. We have seen this, I believe, in the premium box, but it was a moisturizer. But this one is a musk and coconut nurturing hair cream. And then we have Hank and Henry, the lipstick. We have the Pharmacy Vitamin C eye cream, if you selected that as your choice. And last, we have the Luna Magic Beauty, the 4-piece brush set. So guys, this concludes the video. I have all these full box review. I am so excited for what's coming to the September boxes. All these great luxury name brands that makes them glam. So I'm excited for that. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and that way you get to see exactly maybe what the box might be that you might be getting. So let me know if you really liked it on the comment section. Just put a thumbs up. And if you're new, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. So thank you guys for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.